Okay, so now let me continue to the second type of theory on motivation, Herzberg two-factor theory. Okay, so this is a two-dimensional model of factors that influence people attitude towards work. Okay, so there are two factors, okay, hygiene factors and motivator factors. So hygiene factors including the salaries, wage and other benefits, company policy, okay, good interpersonal relationship, quality of supervision, job security, working condition, work-life balance. Okay, when in place, these factors result in general satisfaction and prevention of the dissatisfaction. And the motivator factors is in terms of a sense of personal achievement, status, recognition, okay, challenging, responsibility, opportunity, advancement, promotion, growth. Okay, maksudnya semualah yang anugerah-anugerah tu masuk bahagian motivator. So when in place, this factor result in high motivation, high satisfaction and a strong commitment. Okay, so motivator factors ni related to the job content. Okay, so kena ingat motivator factors they relate to the job content. But if a hygiene factors is associated with the job context ataupun kita panggil sebagai environment in which the job is performed. So ini kata Herzberg lah. Okay, Herzberg kata kalau motivator ni dia lebih dari job content, okay, or what people actually do in their work and are associated with an individual positive feeling about the job. Okay, so inilah beza antara motivator factors and hygiene factors. Okay. And theory X and theory Y by Douglas McGregor ni pula, okay, dia kata McGregor proposed that employees ataupun subordinate ni can be managed into two ways, okay, either negative or positive. So theory X managers perceive that their subordinate have an inherent dislike of work and will avoid it if all possible. This one is theory X ni maksudnya negative. Okay, negative way. But the theory Y, dia kata managers perceive that their subordinate enjoy work and that they will gain satisfaction from performing their job. Ini adalah theory Y, which is a positive way. So macam mana kita, as a manager dia nak handle the employees yang negative way dengan positive way ni? Okay, so through the attitude, kita boleh kena pasti. Okay, kalau mengikut theory X, which is negative way, okay, kebanyakan employees akan cakap we dislike work, find it boring and will avoid if we can. Okay, we must be forced or coerced to make the right effort. We would rather be directed than accept responsibility which we avoid. You know, just tunggu arahan, bagi arahan daripada boss, baru dia buat kerja. Okay, we are motivated mainly by money and fears about their job security. So, kalaulah macam employer dah nampak dah employee macam tu, so kenalah motivate dia orang dari segi bagi bonus, you know, cakap tentang job security, kalau tak perform tak boleh confirm, you know, okay. And that most of us has little creativity, except when it's come to getting around rule. That's the reason bila kita tengok je employees kita macam theory X ni adalah orang yang lebih kepada negative way, so kita kenalah letak some rules to them so as they become motivated to complete their job, okay, atau perform their job better. Okay, but if pekerja yang kita dapat, employee kita ni, okay, kita tengok dia ni, oh Masya Allah, positive way. Okay, there we need to work, you know, and want to take an interest in it. Under the right condition, we can enjoy it. Okay, dari segi direction, we will direct ourselves, you know, tak perlu tunggu bos nak bagi arahan, boleh buat kerja, you know. And then we seek and accept responsibility. Okay, motivation dia lebih kepada to realize dia punya own potential. Sebab tu kalau macam ni, manager kena pasti what type of the employees that they have. Okay, kalaulah pekerja tu macam suka nak realize dia punya potential diri kan, so kenalah bagi delegation, you know, give the empowerment, okay, give the authority to them to accomplish the job. So as dia dah accomplish nanti, dia akan rasa lebih motivasi to commit the work, okay, to commit the job. Okay, and we are highly creative creatures. Okay, yang dia suka buat benda-benda yang kreatif kalau dia diberi tugasan. Okay, so kena tahulah sebagai employer kena tahu macam mana kita punya type of employees. Okay, and then just now we were talking about the content theories of motivation. Okay, content theory of motivation termasuk apa? Termasuk Maslow hierarchy of need, and then Herzberg two-factor theory, and also the theory X and Y. Okay, so now kita nak masuk kepada process theories of motivation. Okay, the first one will be expectancy theory. Okay, this expectancy theory introduced by Victor Vroom. Okay, this theory suggests that individuals have different set of goals and can be motivated if they have certain expectation. Okay, the first one is perception that effort will lead to performance. They believe that if they put higher efforts, then they will get the higher performance. And ada juga yang lain perception that rewards are attached to the performance. Okay? If I perform better, then I should be rewarded better. Okay, and the perception that the outcome or reward are valuable to the individual. So you see here, this must include the effort, performance, and reward. So tiga benda ni mesti saling berkaitan dalam expectancy theory. Because the employees believe that effort will result in acceptable performance. Okay, yang kata apa, hard work pay off. Okay, and then the employees believe that acceptable performance will produce the desired reward. Okay, so bila dia letak high effort and dia percaya dia akan dapat perform better, and then they should gain the better reward. Okay, the employees value the reward. So kat sini kita tak expectancy, instrumentality, and reward ni adalah balance. Okay, and then equity theory. Okay, just now is what? Just now is expectancy theory. So now we are talking about the equity theory. Okay, this equity theory developed by John Stacey Adams. Okay, he focused on the individual's feelings about how fairly he or she is treated in the comparison with others. Okay, equity kan maksudnya kena adil. So this theory suggests that people with view that their outcome and input as a ratio and compare it to someone as ratio. So input ni contohnya macam the education, the experience, the knowledge, the effort and the skill of the individual. Okay, the higher the education, they should be rewarded with the higher salary. The higher experience that they have, the better the salary that they need to gain. Okay, and then output ni apa? In terms of recognition, remuneration, bonus, benefit, promotion received by an individual. So when a person perceives that an imbalance in their input and an outcome ratio related to others, tension is created and this can affect the level of motivation. Contohlah, kalau madam perform better than my colleague for example, but I'm not be rewarded as yang seperti yang madam expect. So macam perception tadi kan, so dia akan create the tension kepada madam dan dia akan reduce my level of motivation to commit the work, to commit the job. Okay, sama jugalah siapa-siapa pun macam tu lah kan, kalau tak dilayan dengan adil, so dia akan rasa unfair. Okay, unless lah dia dah capai level of tinggi lah, maksudnya tak perlukan reward daripada manusia, just redha Allah lah. Okay, so we are keep learning. Okay, kita insyaAllah kita buat sesuatu tu kerana Allah dan kita cuba untuk buat yang terbaik. Kalau orang buat kat kita, terpulang lah, tapi kita jangan sekali buat kat orang. Okay, so when an employer perceive an inequity, they can be predicted to make any one of the 6 choices. Ini yang akan berlaku lah bila dia rasa dia tak diadili dengan betul. Okay, tak dapat, dia buat kerja banyak tapi orang lain dapat bonus banyak, dia buat kerja banyak tapi orang lain dapat award. Okay, so apa yang akan terjadi adalah dia akan change input. Change input ni maksudnya maybe dia akan lagi berusaha dengan keras untuk dapatkan award tu, ataupun dia tak nak buat kerja dah, buat cakap yang boleh je, buat pun lebih-lebih kan, buat lebih-lebih pun orang tak pandang kita pun. So ini adalah salah satu choices yang dia akan buat bila dia rasa dia tak diadili dengan adil. Okay, dia adil dengan betul. Ataupun dia change outcome. Dia request for better position ataupun increase remuneration, minta gaji tinggi. Okay, ataupun distort basis of its comparison psychologically. Okay, rationalizing that the inequity is temporary and will resolve in future. Ni baguslah, dia psycho diri sendiri, it's okay. Nanti akan okay tu, nanti akan dapatlah reward. Okay, and then act to modify input or output. Ini dia persuading the other employees to increase ataupun reduce work. Ni jahat lah kiranya kan, dia convincing boss to reduce other employee salary. Ni kira-kira jahat lah, kita jangan buat kat orang lah. Okay, orang buat kat kita tu terpulang lah kat dia. Okay, tu dia, kita dengan Allah dan dia pun dengan Allah juga. Okay, and then choose a different reference person ataupun the final yang paling dia fed up sangat dah, tak nak ni dah, adalah okay, yang ni paling the worst lah, bukan the worst lah, maksudnya maybe satu kerugian adalah kepada company tu, kalau ataupun kepada organisation, kalau dia sebenarnya orang yang knowledgeable, high experience, okay, tapi tak dilayan dengan adil, so dia akan leave the field and they quit the job. Because normally orang yang quit the job ni, dia tahu dia ada the value diri dia sendiri, so dia tahu dia boleh pergi jauh. Tapi kalau tak layan dia dengan okay, so dia akan minta kerja lain and dia percaya dia akan mudah dapat kerja baru. Okay. Okay, this one I will continue to the next slide. Okay. Sorry, not the next slide. I will continue to the next video. Okay, tak sempat dah sebabnya media boleh record dalam masa 15 minit saja. Okay.